Exercise 20 on application of percentages to real-life situation reads: a pupil scored 399 in an examination. If this gave him a score of 57%, what was the total score of a pupil who has 61%? We need to understand this problem in order for us to solve it very well. So, just like I said, let's write out the parameters as given and see if we can understand it better. That a pupil scored 399 in an examination, and this gave him 57%. Now, in that same examination, what was the total score of a pupil who has 61%? So we are going to find the total score of that examination so that we can also get 61% of that score. So if 57% of the total score, let it be x, be equal to 399, what will be x? So I will then solve it to be where x, we say let x be equal to the total score. So for us to get the total score, we have it at 57% of x is equal to 399. So let's solve for x. I'll do this by multiplying both sides by 100. And we multiply here by 100. This gives you 57x to be equal to 399 times 100. Then for us to make x the subject of the formula, I'll divide both sides by 57. So when you divide here by 57, gives you x, which will be equal to 399 times 100 divided by 57. So what can go? What can divide? Is there any factor that can divide 399 and 57? 3 can go. 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 5 is 1, remainder 2. 3 into 27 is 9. So this is said to be 133 times 100 divided by 19. Can we simplify this further? 19 can go into itself 1 times and into 133 7 times. So we have it that x is equal to 7 times 100, which is equal to 700. So what that means is that the total score is said to be 700. So the question now says, what was the total score of a pupil who scored 61%? So we shall now look for 61% of 700. So 61% of 700 now will be equal to 61 over 100 times 700 over 1. So for a child who scores 61%, this is going to be 61 times 7. This is 7, and this is said to be 42. So this is said to be 427 marks. So for a child who scored 61%, his total mark will be 427. Does this look confusing to you? Do you understand what I have done? Let me have your view at the comment section. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on application of percentages.